And we're back to learning Illustrator in year day 138. Let me show you the Lasso tool. It's an easy to use tool, nothing to set up, nothing to change. Just activate it right here. The shortcut should be Q, and you can simply use that to select objects. And you don't even have to draw a circle, just cover the object. So simply drag over it and then switch to the selection tool. It will be selected. You can select multiple objects at once. And if you watch carefully, here we have a rectangle, therefore we have 4 anchor points. You can also just select 3 anchor points, leave the 4th one out, use the direct selection tool, and then you can drag these 3 anchor points around. The 4th one will stay in position. And this can also be done with multiple objects at the same time. So let me select these 2, this one and the 2 above. I use the direct selection tool and you can see the other anchor points, they stay in position. Once again, super easy tool, nothing to set up or anything. Just activate it, for example, with the shortcut Q, and then you can directly use it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.